Barksdale here. Good morning. This is a key to encouragement thought. Stay engaged, fully engaged today in whatever you're doing. If you're at work, then be there. Be engaged in work. If you're at play, if you're at the beach, whatever you're doing, where you are, stay fully engaged, focused, and just purpose to do that today. And I promise you, it will make huge differences in whatever you're doing. You'll be able to enjoy it. It'll bring joy and peace into whatever it is you're doing, because you can, our minds are just wacky. We don't need to be, everybody's OCD, I think. We don't need to be so distracted and pulled off. We need to be focused. And we might have a few things going on. We're good managers of our time. I'm not saying we always just have one thing. I'm saying wherever you are, your mind needs to focus on that one thing. You can't focus on 5 things at one time. It's like a gazelle or a lion running after 5 gazelles. Well, the 5 gazelles are going in 5 different directions. If the lion tries to, get all of them, he's not going to get any of them. But if he tries to go after one, then he's going to get it. Anyway, stay fully engaged. This is Barksdale. You are a champion, and make it happen.